how to add reCAPTCHA in Elementor form. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. So first of all, open up Google, then search for Google reCAPTCHA and open up very first link that you will see over here. And this is where it will lead you to. After that, click on this option of V3 admin console. Just click on it and wait for it to load. After that, make sure that you use your Google account to sign in and then select the kind of reCAPTCHA that you are looking for. And in example, you can type your website and then also add your domain. Submit all the other details, and after that you will be getting two different keys and you have to paste those keys on Elementor. For that, you need to open up Elementor and there go in the settings, and in settings you will be able to find the integration. Just click on it and in integration you will be able to see the reCAPTCHA. Just click over there. After that, just paste the keys that you get from Google's reCAPTCHA and save it. After that, when you edit your form, just select reCAPTCHA over there and you will be able to add reCAPTCHA to your Elementor form. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.